fantastic cake cioccolato. Stay until the end for the ingredient card. I'm gonna start with the sugar at the bottom. All the grams and measurement will be at the end. As usual, we start to whisk the eggs and sugar. A pinch of salt. It has grown in volume. Grown in size. We start to add the butter slowly. We add the cacao, chocolate drops and raisin. The flour slowly. Then we add it. I think we're ready. Will you fit that tin? Wow, okay. That looks like it's a little bit too much. Usually that's the measurement, but we'll see. It's gonna go in the oven for about 50 minutes, 180 degrees. The usual trick: slam it on the table and check if it's ready by putting a knife or stick through it, and when it comes out dry, if it comes out dry, means that it's ready. Here we have the moment of the truth. I did check with the knife, it was a little bit wet in, so I left a little bit longer. And now I'll put upside down and we'll see how it goes, and we'll taste it tomorrow morning. So here we have. Oops. Good morning, moment of the truth. Let's see this bad boy. Has a good loaf. It is a really good loaf. With a glass of milk. Yeah. Mission accomplished. Very good breakfast cake. That's what I wanted, that's what I have. Fantastic. Guys, recipe will come soon, and I'll thank you for watching this video. I enjoyed making it. It is really good, the cake. If you want to learn it, just head over to my blog, where soon I will have a new blog, redesign, re-engineered, better look and feel, so that you can do the recipe. And if you like it or do it, just leave a comment, let me know how did you get on. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. Goodbye.